everyone, it's Ivan here from ivan-ong.com. Okay, I just finished my gym workout earlier this morning, and I'm on my way now to go to work. Okay, going to my office, and there's something I'd like to share with you guys today. It's actually something that I find very similar to losing weight and working out, actually to business and doing your CPA campaigns. Okay, so the first thing that I find the most similar is actually you need to put in a lot of hard work and determination. Okay, just like working out, you need to be determined to lose weight. You need to try to control your diet. You need to wake up every morning to try to go to the gym to work out and to burn some calories. So same thing for your campaigns. You have to do something. You have to take action. You have to be sitting down your computer and actually be working out and pumping up campaigns after campaigns. And you need to actually be doing something, doing work before you can see any results. Buying products after products after products and hoping that you can make it rich one day is just like you going to the pharmacy and just buying a lot of slimming pills after slimming pills after slimming pills and hoping that you can actually lose weight. Okay, that will not happen. That only happens in dreams, in fairy tales, but it doesn't happen in reality. Okay. And the second thing that I find very similar about working out, losing weight as compared to business is actually consistency. Okay, you need to be very consistent in your campaign and in your weight loss regime. You need to be doing certain sets every a certain day, and you need to be doing something to lose weight every single day. Okay, so the same thing for your campaign. You have to be very consistent in creating campaigns. You have to be quite consistent in working in your business. Okay, so for CPA, it's not like you just put in 10 hours of work today, like you just take one day off work, you work on your computer for 10 hours, and then you actually slack and not do anything for the next 5 days. No, that doesn't work. Okay, you have to be consistent and every day try to put in at least I would say about 2 hours to 3 hours a day consistently to monitor your campaigns, to optimize your campaigns, and to keep scaling up your campaigns. Okay, so that's the only way you can achieve and build a very sustainable and very profitable CPA business. Okay, so that's all I have for this video, and I'll try to record you more videos whenever I go to work, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.